Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my Serenity Garden, as I call it. I'm going to give you a quick tour of what's happening in my garden. End of June, Zone 4B. I'll try to make this quick. We got the pretty pansies doing good. Nasturtium, yeah, I had to look to see how to say it, I forgot. Okay, is growing, it's getting big, it's flowering. So I'm going to be, there's another bud, I'm going to be eating that in my salad soon. My snapdragons are budding out, blooming. Have some more buds there. Onions are growing. I moved some of my flowers around. Strawberries. Some red ones here. I've already eaten one. Lots of strawberries coming in. Sunflowers are growing. Zinnias are growing. Pretty. I planted my round zucchini, 2 of them in the ground here. Dahlia. Lemon balm. These are my pink and lime zinnias, getting taller. I've been eating celery. I cut that one quite a bit, but yeah, celery's been good. Potatoes, my 225-gallon pots of red potatoes are really coming in. Round zucchini. Carrots are doing good. That's a 25-gallon pot. Thinned them out pretty good. My little jack pumpkins. Our weather has been so cool here all of June. Today it's only going to be in the mid-60s. Calendula. Sunflowers. Here's my blue potato bag. That's 15-gallon pot. Squash, butternut squash. Here's my acorn squash. Some cosmos. I planted some of my butternut squash here in the ground, and look at, some of them are just so small yet. And these aren't doing anything. Now we're going to have a 80s coming. Straw flowers are just beautiful. And what I love about these straw flowers is you can cut them. Like some of these ones that look like they were dead, I cut. And they'll still open and close. So I just set them down here. I mean, they just do not quit opening and closing. They make great cut flowers. I've been enjoying lots of kale. There's some more. I picked it the other day. And like I said, my red romaine, I've just been enjoying that. My tomato plants are doing good, and beautiful marigolds. Beautiful marigolds, yep. Okay, I'm trying to make this quick. My basil is still small. My cukes are still small, but they're getting new growth. Pole beans are coming in. My sunflowers coming in. A few of them are getting pretty large there. Cosmos, zinnias, getting taller. Peas, a few. The second planting of seeds I planted in the middle there never came up again. Cilantro, I've been eating that. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to show you a quick growth, what's been going on, how it's growing, and once we get this hot weather coming up, things are really going to take off. Here's what I just picked from my garden. I have a bouquet of cilantro I'm going to use in my salad. It's going to get hot next week, so it might bolt. I got an onion I'm going to cut up in my salad. Some celery. And you can eat the leaves. I'm going to cut that up and put some in my salad. I got red romaine right here, a bunch of it. And I got a mix of all kinds of kale. Look at all, and here's some Swiss chard. I'm gonna cut that up and put it in my salad. All of this, I'm gonna cook down some of the Swiss, or the kale. I got a bunch. Yeah, so that's what I just harvested for today out of my garden, right there. All right, here we go. I don't know if it's dark in here, but here's my whole pan of processed kale, homegrown. Here's my red romaine, curly kale, some celery leaves that I'm going to put in my salad. And there's cilantro in here. This is going to be my salad mix for today. And then I have some onion to cut up in it and some celery to cut up in it. All grown by me. And then I'll add some mushrooms not grown by me and some tomato and raisins and croutons and a dressing. Yeah, so that's what I got today. I'm going to cook this down, massage it with some oil and cook it down, and then probably freeze some of it and maybe add some to some rice. Okay, and here is the dish that I just cooked up my kale. I added, it made this size and this size. It has kale, wild rice, garbanzo beans. I threw a little bit of onion. I had a little bit of mushrooms that I put in. And I just put a little balsamic vinegar, some garlic, some smoked paprika, and some pepper. Anyway, this will be really good with some fresh cilantro sprinkled on it when I eat it. But I'm not eating it today because I have to eat that salad.